How do you get better fuel economy? That's a big question mark in today's economy with gas prices well over $5 a gallon here locally and up over $9 in some areas. So we are doing a GDI, which is gas direct injection fuel service right now. And what it does is it cleans the intake. We actually have our hose running into the intake, and we're cleaning that fuel system. What it does, it gets carbon buildup from the extreme heat, and then that causes lack of fuel economy and can cause some pretty big engine. Whoa! Oh yeah, it's supposed to do that, never mind. It could cause some pretty big fuel issues, potential injector issues, all those kind of things. So this is an important service to do. You want to at least do it every 30,000 miles. You could even do it more often. Some manufacturers recommend about 15,000. So great service, GDI fuel service, and you can do a regular fuel service if your car is not gas direct injection like this vehicle here.
877-4277